everyone, you're welcome to Right Will Make Sure, where it's all about sharing lifestyles and experiences in diaspora. How you all doing today? And Happy New Year, guys! If you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, please kindly subscribe, share, and like, because on here, we only spill the tea, guys. You already know how we do it. So yes, for those of you who have been following me and who have been subscribing, thank you so much. You're welcome to the family. If you're a new person, please don't forget, like I said, we love you guys. And once again, thank you for subscribing. Super excited. It's 2021. That means if you're watching this video, we all made it through, okay? And this is the time your homegirl actually was able to sneak out time to be able to do this video. I had really been procrastinating how I want to do my unboxing video, and that reminds me, if you haven't seen my 5 wish list for Christmas, please kindly go to the video, because that will also cue you into what this video is going to be. Okay, guys? I'm super excited that we are back, we are live, we are super hyped for the 2021, and we can't wait for the good things that's going to bring, guys. And I know you are as excited as I am. We can only wish for the best. It's the fact that I've been super busy. I've been preoccupied. I've got a lot of goodies in my hands, which is exciting. If you look at me, guys, no, I'm all just natural, no makeup, nothing. My hands have been so full, but it's okay. It's a good thing. It's always good when you're super occupied and when you're super busy, guys. Trust me, it's good. Okay, so I like the fact that I'm super busy. I like the fact that I've got something to keep me busy, so I cannot even complain. So, guys, let's get into the video for today. I know 2020 was a rough year for everybody, regardless, as well as 2020 as well happens to be a good year for most people as well. But this unboxing video is not to feel bad. It's just that I see this video online most of the time on YouTube, people doing it, and I used to get a lot of gifts and I used to buy myself presents, but I never really thought about unboxing videos. I actually kept some of the gifts I got for Christmas from loved ones to be able to do this video, and today is middle of January and I haven't even done my unboxing. I haven't even opened my gift for Christmas. That is to tell you guys, I was literally saving the presents that I could save to use for this unboxing video. So I just want you guys to enjoy the video, like to feel the excitement that people feel when they are unboxing new presents, because I'm sure everyone loves presents, everyone loves gifts. So it's just the fun, the vibes, the energy. It's not to make anybody feel bad. It's just to, you know, let other people share in your joy as well. You know, let's get into this video, and I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. So let's do this. So first of all, I do have one of my Christmas presents that was given to me by my lovely sweetheart, okay? Chloe gave me this. So let's unbox this and see what is inside. It kind of really hurt me because she kept asking, have you opened my present? I'm like, no, baby, because I want to do an unboxing video with it. So let's get into this and see what is in there, guys. Come on, let's go on the ride. Let's see what is in the thing. Oh my god, it's so beautiful. Oh, I'm already loving it, guys. Okay, so I kind of forgot to get my scissors from upstairs, but let's see. Let's see. I think the phone is great that you're sharing it and you're trying. I'm super happy to see what the present is, guys, right? Woo! Woo! Guys, I think I'm already loving the feel of it. The only fun thing is that what if you already have a present and then you literally went to buy something like that because you haven't even opened your gift? So let's find out. Oh my god, this looks nice! This looks nice! I think I got, guys, can you guess? Guess, guys! Ta-da! I got a rose! Oh my god! Guys, it is beautiful. Like, whoever knows me knows that I love purple. No, this is a very light purple, but I'm a purple girl anytime, any day, okay? Oh my god, this feels so good. Oh my god, this feels so good. Like, I can't wait to sleep in it. Like, it kind of makes, you know, like, I can feel the rush, the smoothness. It is so beautiful, guys. Like, oh my god, thank you, Chloe. That's really is beautiful. I love it, and I'll rock it every night. I promise. Every night. I'll be doing the wash and wear, guys. Okay, so that's one. Oh god, I love it, guys. I wish I could put it on right now. Can I put it on right now? I wish I can put it on right now, guys. Can I put it on right now? This is so beautiful, guys. I really love it. Thank you, Chloe. You're my baby for life. I love you anytime, any day. You already know that, sweetheart. Present though. It came with the robe. Maybe it's to scrub my body. Let's find out what is in here, guys. First, I'm gonna go for a big one anyway. She doesn't like this stuff. Guys, I got it. My first. It's not the first, it's the bag. Oh my god, it is beautiful. Oh, I got this from my sweetheart. This is super cute. Thank you. I really do not have, sorry guys. I really do not have a white part. I have like different colors, but I really don't have white. And that kind of sounds funny because you know why I said that sounds funny? I'm a white girl. Like, I love anything white. You know, I remember a friend of mine used to tell me, you were so obsessed with white. I'm like, I don't know, but I just love white. I love my house to be white. I love my interiors to be white. Like, I'm just a white rich kind of person. But I don't have a bag that is white. But really, most of my outfits are white too, guys. I can tell you that. So here we are. Finally, this will be added to my collections. I really, I'm super hyped and I'm super happy. Thank you so much. Just vibe with me as we keep writing. Oh my god. Oh, of course, we got all the whole all the more extras in the bag that I have to throw away. And now I can rock my bag and rock my bag. So when you see me rocking my bag, make sure you highlight your girl. So yes, thank you. Now let's find out what. Okay, guys. This, I bought this. This is a taco wrapper, right? But this is actually a gift that I bought for a friend. But I decided to keep it for myself. Don't ask me why. But I bought this for a friend of mine, a very good friend of mine. But I decided to keep this for myself. So I will be adding this to my collection. Yes, I gotta give myself a treat too. You know, you gotta love yourself, baby. You gotta buy yourself a present. And if you buy a present for someone and they're not available to get it, or whatever happens, just keep it for yourself. But I'll be adding this to my collection. I mean, anybody, I like that. I like to smell masculine sometimes. So this is actually for guys, but I love to smell masculine sometimes for whatever reason. I cannot explain. I do have feminine cologne, which smells really nice. But mixing it with a little touch of masculine smell, you know, I don't know who's on that table with me because I love you though. I don't really care. Like, I grew up with boys. I have a lot of boys in my family, so don't get twisted. When I'm around so much boys, loving to smell but I'm adding this to my collection. Welcome home, baby. Okay, what is in here? Oh my god, guys. Oh, look at that. I've got, oh my god, this is a pearl earring. Oh, this is so beautiful, guys. Look at that. Look at that. Oh, and I think I like the packaging. It's so beautiful, little red, and you know, little presents wrap on it. I really love it. I would definitely rock this, definitely, because anyone who knows me, I'm a stone person. I don't really like the earrings, like dropping earrings and all that. Like, I mean, some people really like it. It has to do with what you like, but I'm not that kind of person. I will always go with my stone anytime, any day. Like, look at that. You see? So, don't blame me. I love this. Thank you so much. Welcome home, baby. Finally, we get to unwrap you. So let's find out what you have. Okay. Let's find out what is in here, guys. Remember, this is me unboxing for Christmas presents. Let's see. Okay, I guess you already know most of the things that might be in the stockings, Christmas stockings, guys. But it's better to always open the stockings. Yeah, we're gonna have you. We're gonna have you. Let's see. Ooh, there's a lot of candies, guys. It's super, super nice. I like this. This is beautiful. Yeah, we're gonna enjoy this. It has like a flowery Christmas. Should have done my unboxing in December, so I could have been having a drink, like a coffee, every morning with my Christmas mug. But it's okay. It's okay. We're gonna have a lot of Christmas to come. So yes, baby, you're welcome. I'm gonna use it every day anyway. I love that. We have a lot of candies, guys. One candy. This is another one. I'm not really a candy person, but I have beautiful and wonderful kids that I would definitely give this candy to, and they will love it. I do have adults too who love candies, anyways, not just kids. And what is this, guys? Let's find out. It has table cover. Oh, I got a table cover for Christmas. Guys, I did not decorate for Christmas because I and family actually wasn't in town for Christmas. We went on a trip for Christmas and it was the best feeling. You know, I loved it. It was a Christmas getaway. We had to actually go to the cabin. And I hope you guys saw the video of the cabin. If you haven't, please kindly go check it out. It was amazing. It was priceless. I can't even tell you guys how I felt in that cabin. It was home away from home. It was everything I wanted my Christmas to be like. So yeah. So because I didn't really decorate my home for Christmas, but I have a Christmas cover that was given to me as a present. So we're just gonna have to keep this for next time. Okay? I love it, dog. Thank you. I can do this all day long. I love the sound. I can't be the only one that loves to do this. I can't definitely bring yourself in here and tell me you love to do this as well. You know, I think this kind of eases your stress, your pain, the excitement of carrying the poppings. I can do this all day. Well, I gotta get back to my unboxing video right now. Okay, guys, we will be unboxing. So, on the count of 3, let's unbox this together. Let's find out what is in here because it looks like something is actually here, guys, right? I'm not the only one who thinks like that. I think everyone does. On the count of 3, we're gonna do this. 1, 2, 3. Wow, guys! Oh my god! Oh my god! Guys, this is beautiful. See that? Well, honestly, I'm a kick kind of person, and that's because as a dancer, growing up as a dancer, dancing all my life, I'm more of a kick kind of person than a heels kind of person. I hope, and I know many people are like me too. So the thing is, I love heels, trust me, depending on what outfit I have to go with, but if it has to do with being super, super comfortable, being on the go, trying to look all nice and super, super cute and super, super high and super, super being on the move, you're gonna catch your girl on the kicks. So this kicks, I actually bought these 3 kicks for myself. I try to spoil myself a little. And remember, guys, this is a message for all my brothers and sisters in diaspora. There's nothing wrong with you spoiling yourself, guys. Like, you should do it because you work so hard for it. You do. People don't understand how hard you work. So you know what you should better do? Go out there, get yourself the most expensive gifts, spoil yourself once in a while. You need that. And don't let anyone tell you you don't deserve to take care of yourself, because you know what? Last problem, not the finish. So just give yourself a treat. Enjoy it. Buy yourself expensive things because you're working so hard for that, my brothers and sisters. Bills are going to be paid anyways, so why not just give yourself a little bit of treat? I give myself this treat. I love this. Remember guys, I told you guys I'm a white kind of person. I love white. I love this and I can't wait to match this and kick this. Boom, boom, boom. First time I'm actually buying myself expensive kicks. Everything is time and season. We all know that. I'm excited because I've gotten to that stage where I can do it. Let me enjoy it because I work so hard for this. So guys, I love the colors. This is blue and black. You can, first of all, you can't go wrong with white. You already know, okay? So, and you cannot go wrong with blue. It's royalty. That's the way I feel. And then we do have, of course, the girl's lovely color, the pink thingy. No, I can see pink. I can see a little touch light blue. I hope I'm right with the color, but it is beautiful. You guys should see for yourself. It is beautiful. And I'm super excited I try this for myself with that, okay? Because I love cakes, like I said, and I needed something super, super lit, It's 2021, guys. So having done this, these are just my super babies. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh. Box this one. Okay, guys. At the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. Oh my! Guys, I got a MacBook Pro. That was a gift. I'm still gonna do another video where I can show you guys my gadgets. I'm a gadget freak. I told you guys this before. It's in one of my videos. So guys, the super thing or the super cool thing is that I have been longing. I have been like holding back to shoot other videos because I was thinking, oh, I don't have the recent MacBook Pro to edit my videos and all that. But guess what? I have it now. Ooh, guys, I can't wait to, I can't wait. Cool features that are on there and the things that I can do with this, and also to upgrade my videos and be able to do right with next show videos and content. This will literally help me, and I am super excited, and I will be experimenting a lot with things. So this is, I didn't get this for myself, it was a gift. So thank you so much, sweetheart, for this gift. Thank you, I really appreciate it. And let the ride continue. You already know how we do the ride with Extra Weight, all about sharing lifestyles and experiences in diaspora. So we're about to keep riding. You better stay tuned and you better subscribe, babies. Before I go into talking about this, so like I said, if you haven't watched my 5 top Christmas wish list, if you haven't watched the video, can you watch it? Because on there, I had actually requested that Santa gives me some valuable things that I really, really needed. And guess what? I think I actually got almost everything that I actually wanted. I think 99%, less than 100%, I got 99.5% of everything I listed on there. But I haven't told you guys the biggest news flash. You ready? So homegirl has got a house. Hey! Yes, I got a house for Christmas, guys. I am super hyped. I can't wait to take you guys on the tour of my empire. Guys, your empire doesn't have to be a mansion, or even if it's a little crib, you gotta be super hyped and super excited because you work for that. Okay? So I worked for it and I got it done. It's off my bucket list. I have a home. And I am redecorating. When I say redecorating, yeah, that's what I'm gonna do, right guys? I think I should probably go into that kind of business sometime in the future. I really want to, you know what I'm saying? So I am going AY, trying to decorate, but oh my god, it costs money. But at least I'm gonna make it as comfortable because my home is going to be my sanctuary. And also, you see this beautiful rug, guys? I just got this yesterday for my office. It's my office right now. I don't have everything laid out yet, so it's coming together bit by bit. You already know. So that's why I'm actually like sitting down here to make. This is where everything is going to be going down, guys. You already know. So for the fact that I bought a house in 2020, I actually closed my deal in December 31st, 2020. Hey! It was the best feeling, okay? That takes me down to telling my brothers and sisters in diaspora, you need to give yourself a treat. You need to make yourself comfortable. Like really where you live, where you pay tax, where you do your daily businesses, that is your home. Pineapple spot is in here. Oh, this is nice. This set it up downstairs while I'm in my office and try to come upstairs. So yes, that still was from the Real Estate Company. Oh, this is nice. Oh, I got a cute holder and I got a mug and another mug as well, so they define your pot. Okay, so guys, so this is everything I have to unbox today, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed my unboxing video. If you're super excited about it, don't forget to subscribe and don't forget to give it a thumbs up as well as share this video. Your homegirl is super hyped. There's gonna be a lot of content creation going down on Spill the Tea on Right Will Make Sure. It's all about sharing lifestyles and experiences in diaspora. So don't go anywhere because I'll see you guys in my next video. Let's continue as we keep writing.